Are you overwhelmed with tracking your team's attendance through outdated Excel spreadsheets? Well, it's time to leave the past behind and embrace the future with the best free employee attendance tracking app available today. This revolutionary tool is set to change how you monitor daily attendance and manage your workforce, making time tracking as simple as a click. Let's dive into it. An employee attendance tracker acts as a digital record of your team's presence in the workplace. It's like a smart calendar that automatically notes who's in, who's out, and how long they've worked. For managers, it's an invaluable tool to gauge office attendance, reward punctuality, and address absenteeism efficiently. The best attendance trackers come loaded with features designed to streamline your management process. From real-time attendance updates to biometric integrations, these tools ensure every minute is accurately captured. They offer geolocation tracking for off-site employees, automate shift scheduling, and simplify leave management, making every aspect of attendance tracking seamless. Enter Unrubble, the ultimate solution in employee attendance tracking. This platform stands out for its comprehensive approach, from meticulous time logging and live attendance feeds to integrated payroll processing. With Unrubble, you're equipped with biometric security, GPS tracking, and a user-friendly mobile app, ensuring that your attendance management is as accurate as it is effortless. Unrubble offers more than just attendance tracking. It's designed for the modern workplace, supporting everything from timekeeping and overtime tracking to leave management and shift differentials. Plus, with its automated scheduling and payroll integration, Unrubble transforms the tedious task of managing employee hours into a streamlined, error-free process. It's clear that Unrubble is more than just an attendance tracker. It's a complete workforce management solution. With its robust features and user-friendly interface, tracking employee attendance has never been easier or more efficient. Say goodbye to the days of manual spreadsheets and hello to the convenience of Unrubble. Try it out today for free and experience firsthand how it can transform your attendance tracking and overall workforce management.